Are you looking for the best fitness trackers? In this video we will look at some of the best fitness trackers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Apple Watch Series 8. The Apple Watch Series 8 is a powerhouse of innovation designed to be your indispensable companion for a healthy and informed life. Building on its predecessors, this latest iteration boasts advanced sensors that offer valuable insights into your health, allowing you to better understand and monitor your well-being. The always-on Retina display ensures that you can easily access information at a glance, even when your wrist is down. One of the standout features of the Series 8 is its exceptional customizability. Available in various sizes and materials, with a plethora of bands and watch faces to choose from, you can tailor the device to your unique style and preferences. Safety takes center stage with the introduction of innovative features such as crash detection and fall detection. In the unfortunate event of a severe car crash or a hard fall, the Apple Watch Series 8 can automatically connect you with emergency services, ensuring prompt assistance when needed. The Emergency SOS feature further enhances your safety, providing urgent aid with the simple press of a button. Number 2. Fitbit Inspire 2 Health and Fitness Tracker. The Fitbit Inspire 2 Health and Fitness Tracker is designed to enhance your fitness journey with a range of features. One standout element is the Daily Readiness Score, a premium offering that helps you determine whether you're prepared for a workout or if it's time to focus on recovery. This feature requires a Fitbit Premium membership, and it's worth noting that premium content recommendations may be available only in certain locales and in English. The device encourages an active lifestyle by rewarding you with active zone minutes as you work towards achieving the recommended 150 minutes of heart-pumping activity each week. With over 20 exercise modes, including options for tracking distance, calories burned, and more, you can tailor your fitness goals to your specific preferences. Number 3. Garmin VivoFit Junior 3 Fitness Tracker. The Garmin VivoFit Junior 3 is not your typical fitness tracker, it's designed specifically for kids, bringing together fun and functionality. One standout feature is its interactive app experience, allowing kids to embark on a Garmin World Tour where they can explore and discover exciting new places. To unlock this feature, parents need to have the Garmin Junior app loaded on their compatible smartphones, which pairs with the VivoFit Junior 3. Built to withstand the active lifestyle of kids, this fitness tracker is durable and swim-friendly. The device boasts a large color display with various watch face options, providing a visually engaging experience. What sets it apart is its impressive battery life up to a year, and the best part is, there's no need for recharging. The battery is also easily replaceable by parents, ensuring continuous use. Number 4. Finus Smart Goggle Kit. Finus Smart Goggle Kit offers a cutting-edge solution for swimmers looking to enhance their training experience. These smart swim goggles provide real-time feedback through an in-goggle display and an activity tracker, enabling users to track their distance and time seamlessly. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or a seasoned swimmer working towards specific goals, these goggles make monitoring your progress easier than ever. The Smart Coach swimming goggles feature a digital display that provides crucial information such as a running clock, lap count, splits, stroke rate, and rest periods. This not only allows swimmers to stay informed during their sessions but also facilitates a comprehensive approach to training. The synchronization capability with popular platforms like Apple Health, Strava, and Swim.com ensures that your swim data seamlessly integrates into your overall fitness tracking ecosystem.